Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, students. This is Dhanalakshmi, your art teacher, welcoming you to today's online art classes. Art has not changed, but amid of COVID-19 pandemic, the ways in which it is taught has been changed. It's awesome fun along the way this academic year, as you can learn how to boost your artwork.
As an art teacher, I enjoy teaching my students in school. But now the scenario is completely changed. With all the students online, the extra help has been welcomed and has kept the students engaged.
Myself, Dhanalakshmi, and Mr. Murthy are working as art teachers in BGS World School. We have just found our rhythm for working in virtual classes, but there is always a new room to adopt new things.
It's been a creative opportunity, and I would like to thank the management of BGS World School, Chikbalapur, for creating this virtual platform through WhatsApp videos, where our students were benefited with art videos along with other subjects. Through the virtual classes, I have grown tremendously as an art educator by adapting new material ideas and using technology as a tool to not only communicate lessons but also to create art. I tried to cover an entire art lesson in a video, and my students watched them over and over again and were able to make beautiful drawing and crafts which I taught them. I have been simplifying things down through step-by-step instruction, so my students are able to do their artwork more independently. With projects such as homemade clay, photo frames, puppets, drawing, and simple paper crafts, my students have generally responded well to online art class. Parents have been so invested and appreciative of our efforts as we have been in this together. The rapport between students, teachers, and parents alike during this time has been great. Students sent me the beautiful artwork they made through WhatsApp, and then those photos were modified into a video along with students' photo, name, class, and section. And I love to name this video as Art Junction, and it was uploaded to students group every Sunday. This made our students thrilled and parents delighted for their kids' happiness. Some of those photos are now framed and soon will be displayed at our BGS Art Gallery and could be witnessed as soon as the school reopens. So children, looking back, this was a small art journey which we did last year. My hearty congratulations to all my students as you all have been promoted to a higher class. Let's have a quick look at what we have lined up in art class this academic year. Since our first art class is commencing next week, I want you to be prepared and keep your stationeries handy. I would like you to tell the stationeries or the materials required for the next class. So please arrange those and keep them handy. Materials required for the art class: drawing book, A4 sheets, pencil, eraser, sharpener, color pencils, and some crayons.
So children, you all have seen the journey of art in 2020. In this upcoming academic year, we'll not only be teaching you with crayons and color pencils, we have lined up series of art and craft with many projects using craft materials and water paints. So children, I'm super excited to work with you all, and I'm excited with all the projects that I have lined up for you. So meet you all in the next class. That will be our first drawing class. Until then, take a very good care of your health. Stay safe, stay happy.